Sunday. It's so hot. You guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday. We are going to the market. It's already past 12 and we have not cooked lunch. We have not even started. We don't have anything to cook, so we're going to market to buy some things that we can cook food. So this is what I'm wearing. This is yeah, we're waiting for my husband. We're ready, but he was sleeping. I don't know anywhere here, so he has to come with us. Yeah, I'm sweating. Yeah. So guys, I'm also contemplating leaving this camera at home and then maybe using my phone to film. Let me survey where I'm in. Okay, yeah, I'm going to leave the camera at home. I just wanted to introduce the video before we go outside. How are you? Hope you went to church. Let me just be like a typical Nigerian. Hope you went to church today, because if you did not go, me and you, we are the same actually. So guys, I'll catch up with you guys later, maybe in the market, or when we are back. I'll try as much as possible to just cover some clips in the market, and then when we come back, we'll continue our vlog. See you guys later.
Selling cash 15,000.
How much? I don't know. You put it. Can up there. Oh, abu. You can see. I will go.
You guys, this goat meat. Okay. Okay. This is all I guess I should be doing.
I see.
Okay.
I'm a job.
Okay.
Oh, look. Yeah, please. Yeah, let's get it.
Mama is normal, no flies are everywhere.
Oh, yeah. What's that here?
Your bag, where your phone?
No, I don't buy knife.
You need crayfish.
Yeah.
Crayfish, how many more?
How much is that much?
3,000. But I'll give you 48. Sorry, my darling.
You guys, we are back now. We are back. Let me go and unbox this and let's cook something sharp. You guys, let's unbox my pots, okay? I need to cook fast. When I want to box now, I'll put this meat. This is the next box of it. What do you think? Lifetime guarantee, okay? This cast iron, the other one is stainless. We have some 3, yeah, but different colors. And this is 24 cm. This one for 43,000. This hot 600. guys, this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. First thing empty our freezer. Yeah. You guys, this one is 8,000. How many liters? Okay. 3 liters. So you guys, I tried to make this pot non-stick. I've put oil and I've put on fire. So let me just wait for it to cool down. We need to leave this house. This is after 3. We need to leave this house around 5 or maybe let me say 6. And I told you guys before, we are going to visit our family members today. Just one of them, okay? So we just want to make pepper soup and rice. Hopefully in the next, let me say 2 hours, we'll be done. Is it possible? This is 3:40. We hope to leave this house by 6 p.m. Let me just say 5 p.m. Later is 6. So I can get some clips. I don't want it to be very dark outside by the time we go to their house. Yeah, let me do fast, okay? This is the smallest. I don't know why this light is not coming out. This is 1. 1. I don't know. Look, I should call them down. Install these guys. This is not working as I want. Please, if you know what I will do to make this to come down with blue lights, I beg. This is the first time actually we are using this, so I don't know if it's part of it. The recipe is almost ready. I put rice here. Let me tidy up these pieces and be packing this as I'm waiting for the rice. You guys, 2 hours later or 1 hour, this is 5 for 2 hours later, almost have made the rice. I mean that 6 o'clock is no longer feasible. It's around 7. Yeah, let me just move it back to 7 because almost 6 I'm waiting for the rice. But we'll eat first because maybe if it's night 10 better. It's better than going on empty stomach. Yeah, so guys, I'll catch up with you guys later. Maybe when we are eating and when our food is done, and I'll show you guys what we made. Okay, and how it looks like. Going to here. Let me put our soup bowl. No, it's rice bowl. It's a one plate for somebody. But we can always come back to fetch more. The plate is small. Compared to what I thought, I was thinking it was something big. It's small. So please see that this cannot be left more. Yeah, this is just what this is. A set of 6. What is it? Maybe 5 or 6. Anyway, this tomato salad. After showing us good tomato, we went inside and put this type of tomato for us. Can you imagine? You guys, we didn't go to visit our family member again. After eating, we were so tired and we decided to rest and visit them some other day. Thanks for watching. Bye.